Good morning students, how are you all? In last session we have gone half of our chapter number 6, basics of MS Paint, right? And today in this topic we will go through the topic starting a new drawing, like how we can start a new drawing in a paint button, right? To start a new drawing, click the paint button and then click the new option. Okay, when I will click on the paint button here, this is a paint button, and there will be the list of command or the list of command dialog box will open for me, right? And on that there will be an option of new. On that, when we will click on the new option, a new window, paint window will appear for us, right? If you have not saved the picture you drew earlier, paint will display a message box asking you whether you want to save the drawing or not. Okay. If you have not saved the paint that you have drawn earlier, right? For that, there will be a display of a message box that do you want to save that painting or that picture you have drawn or not, right? There will be a message box looks like this: save, don't save, cancel. If you will choose the option save, there will be an option again open for you to name the file, and if you will don't save, then it will disappear from your screen. Right? Now I will show you how to open a new paint, right? This is a paint I have done on the screen, right? Then here is a paint button. Look at here. Here is an option showing paint, right? You will click on the paint button. There is an option new, and a dialog box appear for you. Do you want to save the changes to untitled? If you want to save it, you will save. If you don't want to save, don't save. Okay, I don't want to save this drawing, so I will do that. And here a new page, paint window will appear for you. Okay, a new paint window will appear for you. Okay, now next topic is opening an already saved drawing. Okay, how will you open a already saved drawing? You have drawn before some pictures, so and you have named them, right? And if you want to open them, how will you open them? To open an already saved drawing, click the paint button and then click the open option. So again we will click on the paint button. This is the paint button, and on that we will have an option of open. When we will click on the option open, then open dialog box will appear for us. Okay, this is an open dialog box that appear in front of us. Select the drive in the folder, look for the drawing you want to open in a paint, select it and then click the open button. Okay, now in this what will you do? You will select the drive where you have already saved the any paint or drawing you have drawn earlier. जो drawing आपने save की हुई है, आपने ये these are the list of drives, यहाँ से इनमें से कौन से option में आपने वो drawing save की है, you will click on that drive, right? And you will look for the drawing that you have already saved. Okay. Look for the drawing you want to open in paint, select it and then click the open button. Let's see how it will work. Here is again a paint button. You will click on the open. Here is a open dialog box, right? You want to check on the desktop. If I will have a, you have to name the file name. Okay, जिस नाम से आपने ये यहाँ पे file name से save की है, you will write the name and then open option you will click. Okay, that drawing will open for you, right? Closing paint. How will you close a paint? When you are using a paint program, you can close it by clicking the paint button and then click the exit option. Okay, you can exit directly by clicking on the closing button, but there is a procedure to exit from the Paint program, right? In similar way, we will click on the Paint option and then there will be an option of exit. When you will click on the exit option, then you will get exit from the Paint. Okay, now look at here. You can exit directly by clicking on this close button. This is a close button. This red one is a close button. You can directly click on the close button, or you have another option. Here again you will click on the Paint option. You will have an option of exit. When you will click on the exit option, he again will ask you, the computer will again ask you to save the changes you have made or not. Don't save, and it will get exited from the Paint program. So here ends your chapter, the Paint, MS Paint, right? Please go through this video again and again. There are 2 or 3 parts. I will send them together once. You can go through this chapter. I will send you the question and answer or exercise part as a PDF. Do the practical at your home, those who have computer or laptop. Okay, goodbye everyone.